Atta girl. Ready to go to the next one? Here we go.
This week we continue heading south, away from the cold and the snow that hit our hometown last night. We left just in time. And we're heading further south from Crooked River State Park down to Tomoka, where we'll meet up with friends and have a great time. But first, we need a little gas in the truck and a little bit of time on the interstate. Every time we come to Tomoka, we get the feeling deep down in our bones that we're getting to step back in time, take in what the locals call old Florida. And it feels good.
Back towards me a little bit.
Believe. No.
What?
Well, the camper's all set up. It's time to go check out what these locals call Old Florida. And what does that mean? Well, you're going to see a lot of palm trees, a lot of sunshine, but as you notice, there's a lot of white sand. It feels like you're walking on a beach everywhere you go, and Maggie loves it, which is why she's getting to go for this walk right now. Later, we'll get the bikes down and head down to the river to see one of those famous Tomoka sunsets.
Last time we were here, they were scheduled to pave this, but they decided to wait. But they paved it now, and it's so much smoother to ride on. Such a better ride on the bikes for sure. But Maggie says it's not very bumpy now, Mama. It's not very bumpy.
It's nice in here, Maggie.
It is not bumpy at all. Get your Toto basket. She got her leg caught in it.
Oh, okay.
Places that you can come at sunset and almost always get a beautiful sunset over the Tomoka River and across that bridge and the little island that's over there. And we've never been disappointed. It's really cool. One thing that's different this time is there are actually folks that are here in the group campsite. And maybe it's because we haven't been here over a weekend in a while, but usually there's not anybody even down here at the group campsites, and we just have it to ourselves. But this is, it's a tradition for us, and it's a tradition for a reason, because it's just a cool thing to do. We kind of plan our day based upon getting to take in a Tomoka sunset. Well, Maggie doesn't want to leave this beautiful sunset in the water, but we need to, because tonight we're going to build a campfire. So we have to put her back in her Toto basket and ride back to the campsite so we can get ready for that.
Part of your day.
I was thinking the same thing.
Were you really?
I was. This might be it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sunset was nice.
Sunset was nice.
Off the subway.
Meeting Jerry and Arlene was nice. Meeting the couple this morning.
Yeah. Fire's pretty nice.
Nice.
It's nice to get here and settle in for a couple of days.
It is. It really is. pretty good fire right there.
Pretty good. Good and warm. What's the weather going to be tomorrow? Here.
70 something, I think.
Okay, good.
Florida weather.
Ormond Beach, 71. Lows 59. Then Sunday is 80.
Wow. Yeah, we drive to Jonathan Dickinson on Sunday. Oh, look at the stars.
I know.
So what do you think of the improved stargazer chairs?
I like them.
You like them better?
Yeah, I do. They're a lot
Setting
easier.
them up and tearing them down is like
So much easier.
10 times easier.
They're heavier though, quite a
They
bit
are.
heavier.
I like that you don't have to worry about getting pinched right here. I
like it that I don't have to look through it. A lot of times I used to have to look through it.
Yeah, that's right. I don't know if it has as much head support. That's pretty important to you usually.
Well, I think it's got head support. Yeah,
For you,
it's good for me.
yeah. That's awesome. Merry Christmas.
I know. Things were expensive.
Happy New Year.
Yeah,
Happy anniversary.
yeah. But something you sit in a lot or something you use a lot.
It's worth buying it.
It's. Maggie, you okay over there? You want to come lay by the fire?
Oh,
It's too hot.
oh, it's too hot over here, Mama. Daddy brought my bed. I'm going to lay in my bed.
Why'd you get that one
I
out?
don't know. It was in the way in there, and I thought maybe she'd get it anyway, but she loves that comfortable bed.
She does.
It's just like, I don't know, it's perfect for her. She loves it.
So I'm in here editing this morning. This is our fancy contraption for how Lynn puts on makeup. Get it out. She puts it on a box of puffs.
Yep.
And then she has this lighted mirror that works pretty well. Dog is on?
Yep.
Good. And speaking of the dog, good morning, by the way. She's outside here at Tomoka. Wants to lay in the dirt. She's got that bed and she has that bed. But she wants to lay in the dirt. You're a pup dog. I've got the videos coming out tomorrow as close as I can so that I can show it to Lynn and we can start chopping it and getting it ready and doing some voiceovers. And I'm going to look and see if I can figure out where they are. I'm going to go join them for this hike this morning. I stayed here so I could work on it. She and Maggie left, but it's one of the worst parts about having a video channel like this is deadlines come up and you've got to stick to your personal deadlines. That's the way I feel about it. And it means sometimes I have to stay here and work when she's out playing, and God, that makes it feel even worse. So I'm going to go see if I can find them. They've got to be somewhere close by. I can tell from this Find My service that we have on our iPhones that she should be on this loop coming up this direction. So hopefully I'll run into her. At least I'll get some exercise. I see her. I see my pup dog. Find My is a great thing. I don't know. I probably would have chosen to go the other route so that I could run into them. Hey, Maggie. That's the way you want to be treated there. Hey. If you have a pup dog, then you probably know walking your dog is not the same as going on an exercise walk, which Lynn is getting ready to do, and Maggie and I will head back to the camper to do some more editing.
So if you're here at Tomoka, don't forget to check out the picnic and fishing area. It's an awesome little spot, water all around, picnic tables. You can drive down here. I'm sure you could put your kayaks in down here. It's just a beautiful spot. Don't check it out. You can ride your bikes down here too. I just walked this morning. I think the first couple of years we came here, I didn't even know this place was here. So don't forget to check out the whole park.
Well, it's been a relaxing day this afternoon. It's such a beautiful sight here and such a beautiful place. It's 72. Feels a little cool though, but we have a surprise tonight. We have two sets of friends. One that lives here in Ormond Beach, the other lives in Flagler Beach. They're meeting us here and going to the music. I think they're here. Hey! Steph and Mike. You look like you're riding a motorcycle.
No, I'm on my
Good to see you, Pat.
So good to see you.
So this is Ormond Brewing. Look at these. They brought us some beer. I've never had gingerbread beer, but that's what I'm going to have today.
Very seasonal.
Thanks, my buddy.
Hey.
We're having a blast out here, but David and Juanita are here too. This thing's set up to go to Moab. Yeah.
You look so wonderful.
Hey, buddy. How have you been?
Hey, buddy.
You too.
I know. Hey,
We missed a year.
how's my girl?
Good. She's great. She's great.
Well, man, it's so good to see you.
I like this hair.
See?
I
I didn't
know.
realize it was that curly. It looks good.
But you said I always pull it back.
Oh,
Yeah, tomatoes.
oh,
Brought us a bunch of tomatoes.
wow.
Awesome. And your annual Digi.
Oh. Oh, I know what these are. These are
Thank you.
Mayport shrimp here, right? That they have
Put those in the freezer.
deveined and got ready for us to cook. That's awesome.
The best.
Thank you.
We are all travelers, and kindred spirits are the landmarks that tell us that we're on the right path.
This is awesome here.
Where's your camera? You need to get video of us cheering.
Wait a minute, I've got it going back here.
Oh, do you?
Cheers, buddy.
There it is. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Come over here. Maggie, come over here. Hey, leave the squirrel alone. Maggie! Maggie! Mr. Steele says he can put this together pretty quickly.
Lynn was suspicious about it.
I'm telling you
Lynn was
what,
like,
he's
"Don't bother
fine.
with it. I'll sit on the stairs.
Is he that fast doing everything?
Hey now. Is there a defined
Oh,
front?
he's got it twisted.
It's upside down. Is there a defined front?
Yeah, there is. Oh no, it's twisted. That's pretty fast though, man.
It is.
That's pretty
legit.
fast. Let it go.
So we sold our house and we got rid of a lot of furniture and we needed another chair in the house. So I said,
this story.
"Oh, what do you
Because he was sat in
recommend?"
our chair.
What's your best camp chair?
He came camping with us at Jekyll Island.
Yeah, non-committal. You don't want to commit on
and he sat in
furniture
those
yet?
chairs, and he said, "We need to get those chairs." And so instead of buying furniture, they bought 2 camping chairs to put in their living room. And
That's fantastic.
Until the house sold.
Until the
because
house
we got
sold and-
rid of a lot.
This stop at Tomoka is about friendships.
I lost you.
The best part of traveling is the friends we meet. When you meet someone while you're camping, you automatically know you have a connection, whether it becomes a quick chat or the ones that become lifelong friends.
Hey, little dandelion, through the cracks in the sidewalk, growing in silence, wearing your yellow crown. Hey, little dandelion, they kicked you for no reason, gather up your pieces, still you hold your ground. Hey, little dandelion.
Okay, so Mike and Steph did not have chairs, and there are no seats around there now. So I came back to get our other Nemo chairs, and I just don't have the heart to not take Maggie back with me. But I don't know how I'm going to make this work, but I'm going to try.
Hey, little dandelion, kicked along the blacktop, trying to pop your head up, still you're around. Hey, little dandelion, just another outcast, big blast in gym class, always getting pushed around. Hey, little dandelion.
there already, buddy? You ready to go back to the camper? That was a lot of fun, wasn't it? It's a lot of fun.
Maybe not getting in the water.
Don't get in the water, baby. Had a great time at Tomoka State Park. I guess it's time for us to go back and pack up and head further south. Next week we'll be at Jonathan Dickinson for the first part of that trip, stay. This is a perfect place, isn't it?
It is. It is. I wish we had more time here.
One of our favorite places. Thanks for watching.
What are your names?
Arlene.
And Jerry.
We're from the Poconos in Pennsylvania, a little town called Hamlin.
Wow, that's a Poconos is a cool place, guys. And how long have you guys been watching us?
Forever. You were
Yeah, it's
probably
gotta
the
be
first
7
ones.
years.
You were probably the first ones that we watched.
Have you been on 7 years?
YouTube just sent us a note today that today is our 9th year anniversary
Wow.
Oh, wow.
of having videos out.
Congratulations.
Well, the first few were fishing, so you probably didn't watch it. All right, so I'm gonna take a Nussie. Get back. We met these fine folks here. They came up and said hello. They gave us a flamingo. We've been flamingos finally. Yeah, way to go. And your names are?
Harag Rubio.
And your name?
Karen.
Karen. And these guys have a 2021 20X.
Yeah.
And love it.
Oh, we love it. We love all our Basecamp.
Yeah. We do too. It's really nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.